This adventure continues our four-wheel drive in northwest Namibia. After 2 nights in Tsumeb, we headed south to Otavi, then Otijwarongo, and then Omaruru, before turning off the main road and heading back into the dirt. Today we visit the Erongo Mountains. And Ben spots a sidetrack that needs to be explored. As we returned to the main dirt track, we spotted rain clouds in the distance. After Ben followed the side loop, we continued west in search of a campsite. Time to find a campsite for the night. Day 21 started warm and calm. Yesterday I decided to test fly my drone, but the wind gusted and took it over a ridge and into the next valley. I spent an hour and a half searching for it that morning. Okay. I officially give up. The search for the drone is over. But when I returned to camp, I found that Ben was gone. I found that Ben had left a note and had gone looking for me. Well, Ben's gone somewhere over there in the rocks. I've done my hour and a half of searching. He's pretty confident he knows where it went down, because he could hear it bumping off the rocks and see the pigeons flying yesterday. So we'll see. We noticed a hand-painted sign indicating Sand People Living Museum and pulled over. Making fire the old-fashioned way.
Very soft and light. The women make the jewelry from the ostrich egg shells. The wood and the plants to decorate with the necklaces.
A donation, some shopping, and then we were on our way. From the Sand People, we drove south and then west to the Spitzkoppe Range, where we stopped at some desert stalls selling minerals. Namibia is rich in minerals, and the locals collect pretty samples to sell to tourists.
Hot?
Yes.
Do you go to school?
Yes.
Where's your school?
A community campground in these mountains is today's objective.
Not sure what camp date it is. It's like camp number 16, 17, 19, who knows?
Actually, it's the end of day 21.
Where's the menu?
There's only chakalaka and beans on the menu, sorry.
Right, Ben's got a fire going, and I see that I still have a giant box. All right, since I lost the drone today...
With your especially good flying skills into a canyon.
Well, it was a fun
Let's get
search.
rid of this box and clear some space in the car finally.
What if it doesn't burn? What if it's some kind of synthetic material with asbestos because it was made in China? Hell with it, just make space in the car. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at the way that thing burns. I wish it was that efficient in flying.
There was nothing in there?
I hope there was nothing in there. Oh, that's where I put my money.
Some people will find it.
And wear it as a headdress or something useful. Goodbye, drone box.